And in today's video, we'll be making French toast casserole or bread pudding. That's what we're gonna make: French toast casserole or bread pudding. Yeah, so we're gonna make that for you guys. So if you want to see us make that, stay tuned and watch all of the video, and share and like and leave a comment down below. For our bread pudding is some good old stale bread. You can use a day-old bread. It have to be stale. If it's not stale, you can put it in the oven for it to dry out a little bit, and then do what you're gonna do. Some cinnamon powder, nutmeg. We have 3 eggs, 3 medium eggs, vanilla, heavy cream. You can use milk, almond milk, any type of milk, but we're using heavy cream, and some cherry and raisin. This is very optional, and a pinch of salt. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut up or break up the bread. You wanna cut and break the bread into bits of pieces. So you're gonna break some and put it into this into this container. Yeah, you're gonna break them up like this. No, you don't use this. I'm gonna use this. You're gonna break them up like that. Do that for me. And I'm gonna cut some. Like this way. We're gonna pat them down.
You're gonna pat them down?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's cool. Get it? Because it's cool?
Yeah.
Get more room, don't you? More room. This ought to get tasty. Right, Mommy? I'm done. Oh, this is yachts. I'm gonna make the yachts bigger.
So we're packing this up. Packing this up.
Yes, Mommy.
Okay, we're packing it up. Packing it up for bread.
It's like a squish right now. Yeah, it's so packing. Let's get him more bigger.
It's okay, you don't need to do that yet.
Ain't no one away.
Take one. Yeah. No. You want to eat that bread?
Yeah.
Okay, eat that one.
Okay. It's yummy.
It's yummy.
Yeah. Yummy and
So what we're gonna make now, we're gonna make our custard for the bread. Okay guys, we're gonna make the custard. And you wanna fill in any space that, okay, fill in the space, fill in the creases, just fill it. Okay. Now we're gonna add the 3 eggs into the pan. 3 eggs. And we're gonna give us a whisk. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt. Now I'm gonna add the heavy milk. Whisk it, whisk it, whisk it, whisk it. All of it. Whisk it, whisk it. Whip it up, whip it up. Fast, fast. Nice. Looking good, right?
Yeah. It's reminding me like ice.
Nice. Okay. So now we're gonna add the vanilla.
Okay,
I'm gonna add that
Mommy,
1 tablespoon, yeah?
I'll keep stirring it.
Yeah, keep stirring, 1 tablespoon. To add lots of flavor. Because we like to cook with flavor. Here. Cinnamon powder, 1 tablespoon too. There you go.
Okay. Mommy, chop.
And the nutmeg. Keep on, look, give me a whisk. Then you're gonna add it up. Okay, you're gonna add it up, I promise. Promise you. So don't get mad at me now. Okay. Here we go. So I'm gonna get the nutmeg. I'm gonna get some nutmeg in there. You want to make sure everything is incorporated into the milk, into the cream. Okay, not too much. 1 teaspoon. Okay, whisk it up. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Give me 1 more whisk. I've tasted the butter, the custard, and it's a bit fresh for me, so I'm gonna add some condensed milk to it instead of sugar. So whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it. Okay, that's enough. Now I'm gonna give you guys a look what's going on inside. Nice whipping, man. Nice whipping. Okay. Smells so nice, right?
Okay. This is good.
Okay.
I'm gonna make this before.
First you making it? Okay, good whipping.
I'm gonna make this before, Mommy.
And raisin and the cherry inside. Wait now. You don't want too much, okay? Not too much.
Now I'm gonna keep stirring.
Yeah. Yep. Now you're gonna pour this onto the bread. Okay? So take your time. Take your time. So the bread can soak up all this nice juice, this nice custard that me and Maya made, right? Very nice. When it makes, it's gonna be delish. It's gonna be so delish. Think so? Gonna be so delish. Yes, ma'am. And we're gonna leave this for about an hour to soak up. We're gonna leave this to soak up all the custard. We're gonna leave this for an hour. Okay, and we'll be back. We're gonna smooth it up. We're gonna give it up a smooth surface. We're gonna give it up a smooth surface, not yet more. I'm gonna add some melted butter. I'm gonna show you first and then you do it. I'm gonna show you first and you do it. You're gonna add the butter on top like this. Okay? In different places. Okay, hold it.
But don't tell us that. Just put it out there.
Okay. Nice. So you're giving the bread a coat. Locking all the moisture. And then it's gonna have a beautiful, beautiful color. Hopefully. Okay. Over this side a little bit. Nice.
I've put some apple jam.
Yeah, put some over here too. Don't be selfish. Put butter. Butter makes everything better. That's what I was told. Butter make everything better. So put some more because we're extra. We're extra, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, nice. Put some on this side over there.
Okay.
Nice. So our oven is already preheated. As soon as it is done, we're gonna add this bad boy. As soon as Maya finish cutting, we're gonna add this. And this is so fun to make. You can add whatever toppings you want, whatever you want in it, whatever flavor you like. You can add blueberry, some pecan, some walnut, whatever you like, guys. You name it. So just do what you like and what's fun for you. This side, I think this side. I think this side wants some. Okay.
Oh, this one off the side.
Yeah, put some there. Put this in the oven for 4 to 5 minutes until it's puffed and golden. This is the finished product, as you can see. Look at it. Nice. Very nice. Now we're gonna cut it. Cut it. It's still hot, but we're still gonna cut it. It's still hot, right?
I thought it was this table, but this is the table. Is this the table?
Is the heat coming up?
Yep, a heat. Put it with a strawberry.
Still hot. Oh my god.
It's still hot.
Finished product, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, share, leave a comment down below.
Yeah.
And share.
Share.
Tell them bye, guys.
Bye, guys.